Hi student, this is a numerical on second order high pass filter. This is a simple circuit diagram of second order high pass filter, that is the two pair of RC, that's why the second order. Design a second order high pass filters at cutoff frequency of 5 kHz. 5 kHz means this is the lower cutoff frequency and this is denoted by FL. FL equals to 5 kHz. Our aim is find out here the values of all this component for this lower cutoff frequency FL. For second order filter, the expressions of FL equals to 1 upon 2 pi under root of R2, R3, C2, C3. Is it? Okay. For our simplicity, we'll use R2 equals to R3 equals to R and C2 equals to C3 equals to C. So this equation reduced to FL equals to 1 upon 2 pi RC. R and C, these are the values of filtering element. FL is given. So 5 kilohertz equals to 1 upon 2 pi RC. Two unknowns in this equation. We'll assume C. We'll select here value of C equals to 0.001. You can select any value of this C, but take care about here this is less than or equals to 1 microfarad. In this case I select here 0.001. You can select a 0.1 microfarad, 0.01 microfarad, 0.004 47 microfarad, whatever. Rearrange these equations for R equals to, and substitute this value C. R equals to this 2 pi into 5 into 10 raised to 3 into C, this is 0.001 into 10 raised to minus 6. Simplify these equations for R. Value of R equals to 31.84 kilo ohm. Already we have adopted the relation between this R2 and R3, the same, that's equals to R. So this is nothing but R2 equals to R3 and this is nothing but here C2 equals to C3. Then these two, R1 and RF, that decided the gain of this filter. For second order high pass filter, passband gain, that is AF. Expressions, this is we are using in non-inverting configuration, so that's why the passband gain expression AF equals to 1 plus RF upon R1 has to be equal to 1.586. This is the important. This is the only difference between the high pass filter, second order high pass filters and second order low pass filter. For second order high pass filter, the passband gain, that is the AF, equals to 1.586. So this relation AF equals to 1.586 equals to 1 plus RF upon R1. In this numerical, passband gain is not given, but for second order high pass filter, passband gain AF has to be equal to 1.586. This is the value of passband gain of second order high pass filter. So this equation reduced to this is the 0.586 equals to RF upon R1. So we can write here this is the 0.586 R1 equals to RF. Assume R1 equals to, I have select here the 100K. This is the assumption. You can select here the 1K, 10K. Accordingly the value of RF will be, but you have to adopt this relation. I assume here the value of R1 equals to 100K. Substitute here this value in this relation. So RF equals to this relation, RF equals to R1 into 0.586. So RF equals to 58.6K. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.